Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both your TV and the device running VLC must share the same local network, wired or wireless. Once done, make sure your TV's media sharing features like DLNA or UPnP are enabled in settings so it can receive streams from VLC. Next, open VLC on your device and check that it's the latest version. Older releases may not expose streaming options. Now, you're ready to begin the actual connection, steps from VLC to the TV. You proceed by opening VLC and selecting Media, then Stream. Add the file, disk, or network source you want to play. Once the source is listed, click Stream and in the Destination step either pick HTTP/RTSP output and define a port, or use Renderer Discovery to find your TV automatically. Make sure to select a transcoding profile compatible with your TV's supported formats. Change container, codec, or bitrate as needed. After confirming parameters, start streaming and monitor VLC's status indicators. You finish by selecting your TV from VLC's renderers list or entering the TV's IP address and the chosen port if you used HTTP/RTSP. Start the stream in VLC, then make sure the TV is on the matching app or input that accepts network media. If playback begins, adjust sync and volume on both devices. If nothing appears, check your PC firewall and router client isolation. Confirm the chosen codec is supported by the TV, and retry with a simpler file to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.